Hello guys, Morning from Gestron. Where are you from?
China.
Nice. Is that okay? I will post it into the Facebook. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
Because I'm vlogger here. Vlog, big vlog in Philippines.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Here in the post.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
How many followers?
41K. 41,000.
Oh, wow.
41,000. What can you say our followers? No, that's only. What can you say our followers?
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Newbie. Manja.
Okay.
So, current guys, we will start some swing in 5 meters, but they hype up. Oh, hype up? Hype up? A little.
So is it the same with that one?
Yeah, that's better here.
Oh, it's the same?
And that's safety, yeah, the same height.
Oh,
Wumi and Pami.
So we can say one or two?
Just only here, Wumi and Pami.
Oh, I see.
Okay?
A little bit.
Why?
Let me have a look.
Here. You can look here. Come here. Hype up, Wumi. How about Pami?
Here?
Yeah. Pami. There are 5 meters guys. 5 meter swing. Okay. 8 meter swing. Karon, mama ko sila dire, swing. Oh, dili man daw ko hype pa. Hype pa. You can use Chukaima. Light jacket. Wait. But we need to rent this if you want. Ipay for each. Yeah, I can see you if you want. Ready?
I like her against the light.
Three, two, one, go. Retired,
Hurt.
but enjoy. Hurt?
Yeah, it's right.
Hurt daw. Where?
Not too hurt.
Hindi mo ang kuhan. Ano eh?
好，他刚刚拉个嘴高，因为不晓得没看到他那个，笑死我了，太搞笑了。
Uli na may kay kapoy kayo.